What's up everybody, welcome to another video. What's up everybody, welcome to another video. What's up everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Tom. What's up everybody, welcome to another video. What's up everybody, what's up everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Tom and it's time to celebrate. Because almost exactly a year ago I've put up my first video on YouTube, and that's been kind of the start to my freelance filmmaking career. And I can tell you guys, it's been a ride. There have been some real ups and downs. There have been times when I was really hyped about the growth of the channel, new clients, new exciting projects. And then there's been times when I was really discouraged, when projects didn't happen, videos I've put a lot of work in just didn't work out. And there were times when I thought about quitting all of this, because sometimes it can be really hard. But in the end, there's been just one really important thing that I've learned over the last year. I know you guys have heard this a lot in several videos on YouTube, but if you want to achieve anything, or there's anything you want to work out, you have to be consistent. I know you guys are all tired to hear this, but it's 100% truth. All of you can do anything if you want, but you have to start and you have to be consistent. This is all that's to it. It's not about talent, it's not about the gear you're using. If you want to achieve something, just do it, but be consistent about it. Otherwise, you will definitely fail. Like, I just started on YouTube because I bought a new camera and I just wanted to make a video. So I made a video about it, and from there I grew. Then people got to know me from my YouTube channel and wanted to work with me. And by now my projects are getting bigger and bigger. The YouTube channel continues to grow, and looking back to the past year, I'm just really happy with all of it. Everything worked out in the end as it was supposed to. Of course, sometimes I still get a little impatient, but being successful takes time. And since I've been doing all of this for just a year now, I've really come quite far. And now I'm just really excited for the next year, because there are a lot of exciting projects, a lot of exciting ideas I have for YouTube videos, exciting brands I'm going to work with. And I just hope you guys will continue to follow me, because in the end, I just do all of this to share my way and share everything I've learned with you. So here's to another year on YouTube. Cheers.